Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications on not working on Android. So for this, make sure you will have Android device and just swipe up and go in the WhatsApp application. After here, you will see the top right corner of three dots as well, and you will be see the settings option. Just tap on it as well. After here, just finding the notifications settings, so make sure you will just have turned it on the conversation tones play sounds for incoming and outgoing messages. Just turn it on and make sure you will be just set the in the settings options, just check the notification options right over here and make sure you will be just do not disturb mode, turn it off as well. So now you will be just fix the WhatsApp notifications on not working on Android. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.